Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming UEFI firmware and backing up your data. That protects you if something goes wrong. Next, boot the live USB to verify Linux Mint loads. Once done, reboot and press the firmware key for your model to open UEFI settings. Make sure to move quickly through menus to avoid timeouts. If prompted for a firmware password, enter it. Otherwise, proceed to the Security or Boot section, where secure boot options are located, so you can change the state. You now locate Secure Boot in the UEFI menus and change its state. Choose Disabled if available, or use the Clear/Reset Secure Boot Keys option. That removes machine keys and lets unsigned kernels boot. Remember why? Secure Boot blocks unsigned kernel modules, which can stop custom drivers. Once you select the option, confirm any prompts. Many systems ask for explicit yes or a second confirm. Make sure to save and exit. Failing to save is the most common mistake that leaves Secure Boot. You should now boot into Linux Mint normally. If it works, verify drivers and Secure Boot status with mokutil SB state. If the system fails to boot, re-enter UEFI and temporarily re-enable Secure Boot, then recheck the exact option you changed because some firmwares require clearing keys plus disabling. If problems persist, restore firmware defaults or update the UEFI firmware from the vendor. One key troubleshooting tip. If shim or MOK enrollment issues appear, recreate the USB installer and enroll the MOK key during first boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.